Test your English with 40 questions. Are you ready for the challenge? Let's begin. Pick the correct option. Answer A, priority. Which spelling is correct? Answer B, climatic. Which word is spelled correctly? Answer D, secretly. Find the best synonym of notice. Answer C, observe. Which word is a synonym of equable? Answer B, calm. Pick the opposite of capitulate. Answer C, resist. What is the opposite of dynamic? Answer D, static. Choose the plural of mess. Answer A, messes. What is the plural form of stadium? Answer B, stadiums. What word best completes the sentence? Answer A, should you finalize the report, submit it to management? Which option correctly fills the gap? Answer B, it's hard to cover all the details in one meeting. Fill in the blank with the correct option. Answer D, I got the waiter to clear the table quickly. What does stay afloat mean? Answer A, survive. What does lose your touch mean? Answer C, lose skill. Pick the antonym of impair. Answer B, improve. What is the opposite of annex? Answer A, detach. What is the opposite of deflection? Answer C, alignment. Choose the correct past form of bend. Answer A, bent. What is the past form of slink? Answer C, slunk. Which is a synonym of messy? Answer B, untidy. Pick a synonym of facile. Answer D, easy. Choose a synonym of casualty. Answer C, victim. Which spelling is correct? Answer A. Measure. Which word is spelled correctly? Answer B. Inventive. Pick the correct option. Answer B. Cleanse. Which option is correct? Answer A. Inspirational. What is the plural of entity? Answer B. Entities. What is the plural of cliff? Answer C. Cliffs. What is the plural of nemesis? Answer A. Nemesis. What is the plural of topaz? Answer C. Topazes. Fill the gap. Answer B. The teacher spoke so slowly that the students could follow. Can you guess the missing word? Answer A. She hesitated, voicing her criticism openly. What word best completes the sentence? Answer B. His attention to detail is remarkable. What does wear the trousers mean? Answer D. Dominate. What does wash out mean? Answer C. Fail. What does chance your arm mean? Answer B. Take a risk. Final stretch. Only 4 questions left. Choose past form of spread. Answer A. Spread. What is the past form of string? Answer D. Strung. Choose past form of rebind. Answer B. Rebound. What is the past form of leave? Answer A. Left. Congratulations! Share your score in the comments and subscribe for more quizzes.